In today's video, we shall discuss about one of the very important reasoning question from halogen compounds. And it involves lot of in-depth explanation. I'll try to give maximum explanation for this particular reasoning question. So you need to watch the video 2 to 3 times until you get the concept clarity. Hello everyone, this is Srinivas Visala. You are watching Chemistry is Easy. Let's see what's the reasoning question we are going to discuss here. Here it is. The presence of NO2 group at ortho position and at para position increases the reactivity of haloarenes towards nucleophilic substitution reactions. We need to give the reason for this. So whenever there is NO2 group at ortho position or at para position or at both, the reactivity of haloarenes increases towards nucleophilic substitution reactions. Let's see. Here, the presence of NO2 group at ortho and para position withdraws the electron from the benzene ring. So as this is electron withdrawing group, they withdraw electron from the benzene ring, therefore facilitating the attack of nucleophile on haloarene, and whatever is the carbanion formed, that is stabilized by resonance. Let me explain again. The presence of NO2 group at ortho or para position, or it can be both ortho and para position, it will withdraw the electrons from the benzene ring, therefore facilitating the attack of nucleophile on the haloarene. And whatever is the carbanion formed, the carbanion thus formed is stabilized by resonance. Let us write the resonating structures of para-nitrophenol and understand this one. So this involves lot of writing here. Please bear with me. And this is the chlorine. So now the nucleophile attacks this particular carbon, and simultaneously the electrons of this pi bond will be shifted to adjacent carbon. And remember, this is the slowest step. Whatever is the carbanion formed, that is stabilized by resonance. See here we are getting the negative charge, and this is same as it is. And here there is Cl as well as OH. So in the next resonating structure, this electron pair on this carbon will be shifted to in between these two carbon, and the electrons of this pi bond will be migrated to the carbon bearing the NO2 group. So this is our next resonating structure. Negative charge on this carbon, and here we will be getting double bond, and this is Cl and OH. See here, in the next resonating structure, this particular carbon is having lone pair of electron, and that will be pushed in between the carbon and nitrogen, because see here, the nitrogen oxygen double bond is in conjugation with this carbon having lone pair. So electrons of this pi bond will be shifted to oxygen, and these electrons will be coming in between carbon and nitrogen. And this is our next resonating structure. And please focus here. This electron withdrawing group, that is NO2 group, is pulling the electrons towards itself. This nitrogen is again positive charge as it is forming 4 bonds. This is O minus. And let's see the next resonating structure. This carbon nitrogen double bond is in conjugation with this carbon carbon double bond. So these electrons will come in between these two carbon atoms, and the electrons of this pi bond will be shifted to the adjacent carbon, and the lone pair of electrons in oxygen will come back here in order to form bond between nitrogen and oxygen. So we get double bond here, carbon with negative charge. The carbanion which is formed after the attack of the nucleophile on this particular carbon is stabilized by resonance. So here in both ortho and para nitrochlorobenzene, and see this particular resonating structure, this one. So this structure is having negative charge on the carbon where it is attached to the NO2 group. So therefore this carbanion is stabilized by NO2 group as well as the pi electron conjugated system. Now when you write down the resonance hybrid of this one, we will write like this. Benzene ring where the negative charge is delocalized from this carbon to this carbon, and here Cl and OH, and this is our NO2 group. Later Cl minus ion will come out, and this is the first step where we will be getting the substituted compound. Now, not only this one, let us see what happens in the meta isomer. Why specifically they mentioned about the ortho isomer as well as the para isomer. Why the meta isomer term is not used here? If you take the case of the meta isomer, the carbon bearing NO2 group does not have the negative charge. Here I mentioned that the carbon where the NO2 group is attached, that is getting negative charge in this particular resonating structure. Same when it is present at ortho position, some other resonating structure will be there where the carbon bearing the NO2 group will be getting the negative charge. So you can try the resonating structures by using ortho isomer also. So in the case of meta isomer, there is no negative charge on the carbon wherever NO2 group is present. So therefore NO2 group at meta position does not stabilize the carbanion, and it is stabilized only by the conjugated pi electron system. Let me draw the resonating structures of the meta isomer also so that you will understand better. And NO2 group is present at meta position. First OH minus ion attacks this carbon where halogen is attached, and simultaneously the electrons of this pi bond will be shifted to adjacent carbon. This is the carbanion formed, which is stabilized by resonance again. This is negative charge. This is double bond already present from the beginning, and this is chlorine and OH, and here it is NO2 group. See the next resonating structure of this one. The electrons of the lone pair of electrons on this carbon, that will be migrated in between these two carbon atoms, and simultaneously the electrons of this pi bond will be shifted to adjacent carbon. Then see here, benzene ring with double bond here and here. This is chlorine, this is OH, and now negative charge on this carbon. See, there is no negative charge on the carbon wherever NO2 group is present. So in the next resonating structure, see what happens. The lone pair of electrons on this carbon will be pushed in between these two carbon, and the electrons of pi bond will be migrated to the adjacent carbon. And this is our next resonating structure. So when you write down the resonance hybrid of this one, it is like this, where the negative charge is delocalized, and this is NO2 group, and this is chlorine and OH. Of course, in the next step, the Cl minus will come out and we'll be getting the substituted product. Let me briefly revise this. In the case of ortho and para isomer, the carbon bearing the NO2 group is getting the negative charge. So this NO2 group is stabilizing the carbanion in addition to the stabilization by the carbon-carbon double bond conjugated system. Whereas in meta isomer, the carbon bearing NO2 group is not getting the negative charge. So NO2 group is not stabilizing the carbanion here, and the stabilization is only because of the carbon-carbon pi bond conjugated system. And that is the reason why meta isomer will not increase the reactivity of the haloarene towards nucleophilic substitution, and only the ortho isomer and para isomer does that. So that is about this particular reasoning question. As it is very lengthy, I just recorded only one question for this particular video. Meet you again in the next video. Thank you.